In this video, we will show you how to interact with the newsfeed in the Garmin Connect app. Today, we will be using an Apple iPhone, but instructions are the same on Android smartphones. Start by opening the Garmin Connect app and select Newsfeed at the bottom. Here, you can see activities you have completed, as well as activities completed by your connections. Scroll through to see more data. You can select the filter icon in the upper right to filter the information displayed in the newsfeed. You can filter to see all data by selecting All, or you can filter to only see your connections data or just your own data. You can also filter by activity type. Select Apply to save your changes. In the newsfeed, you can also like or comment on activities. Select the heart icon to like an activity. You can also select the comment icon to leave a comment. And that's it. You can now interact with the newsfeed in the Garmin Connect app. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.